As the wind blows, understanding English idiomatic expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of English idioms. Today, we'll delve into the picturesque phrase, as the wind blows. This idiom paints a vivid picture in our minds and is rich with meaning. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's break down the phrase, as the wind blows. Wind is unpredictable and can change direction at any moment. This phrase is often used to describe something that is equally unpredictable or subject to change. It paints a picture of uncertainty and spontaneity, much like the way the wind can change direction without any warning. Now, let's explore the meaning and usage of as the wind blows. This idiom is used to express that a person's decisions or actions may change depending on the situation or their mood. It's a metaphorical way of saying that just as we cannot predict or control the direction of the wind, we cannot always predict or control our own actions or feelings. For example, he makes his plans as the wind blows, never sticking to one thing for too long. Her opinions change as the wind blows, so it's hard to know what she truly believes. Interestingly, there are variations of this phrase that carry a similar meaning. Phrases like, go where the wind blows, or, as the winds of fortune blow, also depict a sense of going along with circumstances or changing according to chance or whim. For example, she decided to travel the world and go where the wind blows, seeking adventure and new experiences. His business strategy seems to change as the winds of fortune blow, adapting to the market's demands. In conclusion, the phrase, as the wind blows, and its variations offer a poetic and vivid way to describe the unpredictable nature of life, decisions, and opinions. Next time you encounter a situation that's ever-changing or someone whose thoughts seem to flutter like leaves in the wind, you'll know just the idiom to describe it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has blown some new knowledge your way. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of English idioms in no time.